Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aditi. I hope all of you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys some makeup, skincare and haircare recommendations. As you guys know that Nykaa Pink Friday sale is going on from 24th to 28th of November. So this is a perfect time to buy these products. This is, I would say, the biggest sale of the year. You get amazing discounts like on amazing brands you get 50-60% discount. So I think this is the perfect time to purchase your makeup or skincare or hair care products. So I'm going to recommend some of the products, like a lot of product actually I have to recommend to you guys, which I absolutely love, and I have my full trust on these products. And this is the perfect time. I personally buy my makeup and skincare during the sale time only, and never purchase my products on full prices. To be very honest, I always wait for the sales to get my products. So yeah, I think I'm gonna recommend a lot of products. So without more blabbering, let's get started. But before that, if you like my content, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos coming your way. You can share this video with your friends as well. And yeah, with that, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with some hair care and skincare because those are like 4-5 products. I'm just gonna quickly do that and then we're gonna move on to the makeup. The first product that I have is this one. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum, and this is for all hair type. This is a beautiful hair serum, you guys. I just totally love this. This is a like multi-purpose product. You can apply this before washing your hair, you can apply after washing your hair, and you can apply this before styling your hair as well. So it's just a multi-purpose hair serum. It makes your hair super smooth, not at all greasy, not at all oily. Just it just makes my hair super smooth. I have curly hair, and during winters my hair becomes even more dry. So curly hair with dryness, it's just the worst combination ever. But I think this is gonna help me because this helped me during these monsoon season also. This helped me a lot. So yeah, I just love this product so much. I have one more product from L'Oreal, and that is this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris Revital Lift Crystal Micro Essence. I just totally love this product as well. You can see I have used quite a lot of it. Like, this is the amount that I am left with. I just love this product so much. This, the consistency is just like water. You can see that it's just so good. And again, this smells so refreshing. I just apply this after, like, in the morning and in the night before I sleep, and just it just makes my, I feel this has helped me with the texture. It really gives you help you with the dullness. If you feel that your skin feels very dull and you want that brightness, just use this product. You would see the difference within within a week or maybe in 10 days. I've seen amazing result with this product. I just totally love this. I have my full review on this. So if you want to know about this product like in detail, I will just leave the link of that product of this product on the I button or maybe in the description box, so you can check that out. I have one more product for hair, and that is this one. This is the Vela Professional Thermal Image Heat Protecting Spray. That is how the product looks like. This has a pump applicator, so you just wanna apply that all over your hair and then style your hair. And I feel this makes my hair super smooth when I use this. I never used to use heat protecting sprays or heat protectants before, but when I started my YouTube channel, I styled my hair quite a lot, and I felt my hair became very dry and frizzy. So I really wanted a good hair protectant, and when I used this, I could see a big difference. Not only this makes your hair very smooth, and it smells beautiful, but it protects your hair so much. I could see the difference when even I style my hair very consistently. My hair doesn't feel that damaged and that frizzy. So I feel this is a really good product to buy, and you can see I have used quite a lot of this as well. So you just want to shake it and then apply that all over your hair, and you will be good to go. So the next product that I have is from Plum, and this is the Plum Grape Seed Mist. This again is really good. Again, smells beautiful, and the spray of this is just like, you can see, like, it's just so nice. I just like to you can like use this any point of time, like whenever you feel like your skin is very dry and you feel just your skin needs that hydration, just spray this all over your face. It's gonna make your face look so glowy. Like, you can use this on top of your makeup, without makeup, whenever you feel like that skin needs hydration, just spray this all over and it's just so good. Smells beautiful, super lightweight, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, it's not at all sticky, just amazing. So those are the skincare and hair care products. Now let's move on to the makeup. So I'm gonna begin with primers. So first product that I have is this one. This is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. That is how the primer looks like. This is really good, you guys. I mean, this is gonna help you with pore issue. This has a peachy undertone, so it's gonna help you with the darkness as well. If you feel that you have a lot of darkness or pigmentation on your face, it's gonna help you with that. You just want to need tiniest amount of this and then just apply that all over your face, and on the areas where you feel you need a little help, just apply that on that area, and it's gonna blur your pores. It's gonna make your skin like even toned skin, super good. And I really like this. It's gonna mattify your skin but not dry your skin. There's a difference. So if you have oily skin, it's gonna help you with that, but if you have dry skin, like I have dry skin, but it works equally beautifully for me. And the other primer that I have is this one. This is the Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. That is how this primer looks like. This is the 30 ml packaging, and I'm just gonna show you how this looks. This is a proper silicone based primer. This is again gonna help you with the pore issue. I am gonna recommend the product, like the primers, both of the primers gonna help you with the pore issue, because I do have like really bigger, not very big, but yeah, I have big pores around my nose, around my nose area. So yeah, I really need something which helps me with that. So yeah, that is why I just love both of these primers so much. So the next category is foundation, and for that I have this one. This is the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation, and I had the shade 03 Warm Sand. And this foundation I feel is really good. I know this is not a very recent launch, but I got this product few months back, and from then I just totally love this, and I think I'm gonna love this even more during the winter season, because this is a hydrating foundation and I have dry skin. It worked beautifully during the summer, so I know it's gonna work beautifully during the winters for me. It just blends beautifully, gives a very nice glow. Right now I'm wearing this foundation on my face, and I just it's very lightweight. It's not gonna give you like full coverage. This is like a medium coverage foundation. You can definitely build it up. Like I am just wearing a one pump of this, like a one proper drop of this on my face, and it has covered almost everything, and you can definitely build it up. And it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It's gonna look, just it makes your skin look so beautiful, healthy and glowing. Next foundation that I'm going to recommend to you guys is this one. This is the Rimmel London Match Perfection foundation, and this has got a SPF of 20, and I have the shade 300 Sand. That is how the product looks like. This has a pump applicator, and again I just love this product so much because this is for dry skin, especially for dry skin. I mean, this is a very dewy foundation. I just love how this looks on my skin. It makes my skin glowy, dewy, juicy. That's what I absolutely love, because I have dry skin. Rimmel London, like this foundation I checked just before I started shooting this video. This is right now on 60% off, so you are going to get this on like under the budget of 300 rupees, which I feel for a foundation is very affordable. And I have my full review on this as well, so if you guys want to check that out, I'm going to leave that link in the description box so you can check that out. Now let's move on to the concealers, and the one concealer I'm absolutely loving these days, actually not these days, these months, the day I started using this, there's no coming back, like there's no turning back. So the concealer that I'm talking about is this one. This is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I just love this concealer so much, you guys. I mean, I never expected a concealer or any product which is super affordable, that could be a good quality product, right? But it would be the best out of everything you have. It's surprising to an extent. Like I just use this concealer so much. You can see like I have used like quite a lot of it. I have this one is in the shade 05 Medium Moine. This is a full coverage concealer. You can definitely apply just a tiny bit and get a very nice light coverage, like a medium coverage, and just build it up, and then it's gonna give you like a full coverage look. It's not at all drying. It sets very nicely. Beautiful product. By the way, this shade is a brightening shade, not a perfect like my skin tone, just like one or two shades lighter than my skin tone. So if you want to get this shade, make sure just keep that in mind, that it's not my shade, it's lighter than my skin tone. But I highly recommend this product. Next concealer that I have is the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer. I think this is something which I think everyone should have, because again this is super affordable and so good quality. Again, this one is one shade lighter concealer for my skin tone, and this one is in the shade 20 sand. Super super affordable, so good quality. And let me give you a swatch of this as well. This is like so nice. It blends beautifully and gives a really nice medium finish. It's not a full coverage concealer, but you can definitely build it up, and it's gonna give very nice look. It's not at all drying, it doesn't crease, and it just looks flawless and beautiful on the skin. Now let's move on to the powder. So the powder that I have is this one. This is the Maybelline New York, the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and the shade I have is the light medium. This product I just totally love. I never really used to use loose powders. I am a compact girl, like I always use compact powders to set my face or my under eyes, but I think this is one product which I absolutely love. You just want to take the tiniest amount of this. You don't need a lot of amount of this, and you would be like good to go. This is a tinted one, so it's gonna give you coverage as well. You can just apply this on your bare skin. It's gonna give you a very nice coverage, and if you want to go, you can bake with this, you can just set with this. It's just beautiful product. So the next powder that I have is this one. As I said, that I am a compact girl, and the reason I just love compacts because of this one. This is a L'Oreal, not L'Oreal, this is the Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact Powder, and this is in the shade Malin Matte. I just totally love this product so much. I think this is my third or fourth pan of this. I just love this so much. It gives a very nice, like it gives a airbrush kind of a look. I just love this so much. I personally apply this just on my bare skin. It gives a very nice coverage as it is, and gives very flawless makeup look. Totally love this. Not at all drying, not at all heavy. Now I'm gonna recommend you guys one product which I would say you guys definitely should have in your makeup kit, and that is this one. This is the Sugar Contour de Force face palette. I have this one in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. That is how the product looks like. This has a mirror as well, and you have got everything in this one product. I just love these kind of palettes with when you have like everything, a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. This is like such a beautiful palette, and I'm gonna give you swatch of all the all three products. Like this is the bronzer. It's like super smooth. This is the blush, every kind of everyday kind of a blush. It just looks so beautiful, and the highlighter also is beautiful. You guys, just look at this. So I just love all three product in this palette. Normally what happens when you get these kind of palettes, one or two product work for you but the other one doesn't work, but in this palette all three product works beautifully. And I just love this so much. Now I don't have any other bronzer or contour recommendation as such. I love the L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer, but I'm not recommending it because it's never ever available online. I don't know, not on Nykaa, not on Amazon, not on Myntra. Never, it is never available. It's always out of stock. There's no point of recommending this. If you can get that in your local stores, definitely get that, because that is a beautiful product. But for this Nykaa sale, it's not available on Nykaa. I don't know why. So yeah, I can't be recommending that for this particular sale. Now let's move on for the blush. So the first blush that I'm gonna recommend to you guys is this one. This is the Color Bar Matte Illusion blush in the shade 003 Flushed Satin. A beautiful blush, you guys. I mean, I just totally love this blush so much. A few months back I got this and I've used this so much. This is a beautiful shade. It's gonna look beautiful on a lot of Indian skin tones. I think it's gonna complement every single Indian skin tone. This has no shimmer particles. This is a proper matte blush, but not at all drying. It doesn't look powdery on the skin. It just instantly bright, instantly makes your face look so healthy and fresh. Let me just apply just a little bit of this. When I see a blush, I just feel like applying that. So let me just show you how this is gonna look. I already have a blush on my face, but you can see like I have applied it. The difference you can see, it just is a beautiful shade. It's definitely pigmented, not extremely pigmented, but definitely the right amount of pigments. If you're a beginner, you can definitely work with this. The next blush recommendation that I have is this one. This is from the brand K Beauty, and this is the K Beauty matte blush in this shade Soft Nude. Again, a beautiful blush, you guys. This has again a mirror with this, and this is a really beautiful blush, you guys. I mean, and this is extremely pigmented, like you can see the swatch. This is the Kalaba one, and this is the K-Beauty one. This is extremely pigmented, so just want to take the tiniest amount of this. And I have this one on this side of my face. Let me just apply just a little bit of this to show you guys how this is gonna look. But this again is a beautiful shade. You can see, right? It's so good. Extremely pigmented, so you just want to apply the tiniest amount of this, and it blends beautifully. Again, it's a matte blush, but not at all drying. It doesn't look powdery at all, and again makes it look so fresh and youthful. So totally recommend this product to you guys. The next category is highlighter, and for that I have this one. This is the Maybelline New York Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I think this is a highlighter that everyone should be having, especially if you have medium to dusky skin tone. This is the highlighter, and this is the shade that you should be having in your makeup kit. This is extremely pigmented, so buttery soft. You can see I've hit the pan on this because I have used quite a lot of this. This is the first highlighter that I've ever got, and this still is with me, and I use this so much. I even use this to highlight my body, and still I have this because you don't need a lot of this. This is super pigmented, so beautiful. If you like blinding highlighters, this is the one for you. But if you want subtle highlighter, then this is not the one. For a subtle highlight girl, like I like subtle highlight more, so for that I have this one. This is the K-Beauty highlight, and this is the K-Beauty illuminating highlight in the shade Champagne Fizz. Again, I just love this shade so much. You have got a big mirror, and that is how the shade looks like. I have used this one again quite a lot. If you want something which you can apply during the daytime, I think this one would be it. Can you see that I have took a lot of this to give you guys a proper swatch of it, but this just looks beautiful. Very subtle. Let me just apply a tiniest bit of this as well on my face so that you guys can see how this is gonna look. Can you see? It's just so nicely milled, no chunky particles at all. That's why I really like this, because I can really apply this during this daytime as well. Normally the highlighters doesn't look that good during the daytime. It looks very chunky, especially under the sunlight, but I think this is gonna look so beautiful. I have actually used this a lot of time during the daytime, and it looks beautiful. Our face is done now. The next category is eyebrows. So for that I have two recommendations again, and the first one is this one. This is the ELF Instant Lift Brow Pencil. That is how the product looks like. You have got a spoolie on the one side, and the other side you have got a pencil, and this is like really good. I really like this product. This is super good. Let me give a swatch of this as well, so you can see it's very nice. This is in the shade Deep Brown, which is a perfect shade for my eyebrows because I have black hair. So I'd like to use something which matches my hair, so it looks very nice, very good. It's not super pigmented, not very less pigmented, the right amount of pigment that I really like about for my brows. So I think this is very good quality. But I have one more product which is, I think, a bit affordable than the ELF one, and that is this one. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Brow Pencil. This one is in the shade Brunettes Do It Better. I just love this pencil so much. If I have to compare both of these, I would recommend this one, to be very honest. I have used this so much, and I think I love this shade so much. The formula again is really beautiful. Where do I give the swatch of this? This one again is in the shade Dark Brown. So this is the ELF one, which is close to black, but this one, the Wet n Wild one, which is a very dark brown shade. Both of these works for me. Today I'm wearing the ELF one, and which again looks very nice, but this again looks so beautiful. You have got a spoolie with this one as well, very tiny spoolie, but it can actually work. Now let's move on to the eyeshadows. I do have two recommendations for you. First one is this one. This is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I have this one is in the shade 04. I just love this palette so much, you guys. I mean, this is so pigmented, so good quality. You have got like 8 matte shades and one shimmery shade. I have this one only, and I just love this so much, so much. I think I'm gonna get one or two different shades of this particular range because this is super pigmented, so affordable. This actually itself is so affordable. So during the sale time, I think it's gonna get very affordable. So I think this one definitely is something that you should be having in your makeup kit. All these shades are so nicely blendable. Actually, I do have a a full review video this of this particular palette on my channel, so I'm gonna leave the link of that in the description box. So that is why I'm not gonna give you the swatches of all these 9 shades. You can watch that video and make up your mind. The other eyeshadow palette that I have is this one. These two, these are the elf bite size eyeshadow palette. So I have two of these, and again I have the full review on this particular palette. This is in the shade berry healthy or something like that. Let me see what shade. Okay, no, not berry healthy. This is in the shade berry bad. This is a beautiful pinky shade, pinky brownie shade. I just love these shades so much. Let me just give you the swatch of this one. This is so beautiful. Can you see that, how pigmented this is? So beautiful, and these are like so affordable. I think if you're a beginner, you don't want to confuse yourself with with this kind of a palette or like a bigger palette, when you just gets very confused like what shade you want to use. So you can get a product like this which where you have like only 4 shades. You would be sorted. You can get a very nice everyday kind of a look using these two matte shades. And if you want a like pop of that shimmer or like glitteriness, or like you want something for festive season, you have got two shimmery shades as well. And in this one as well, you have got the other shade that I have is in the shade Carnival Candy. So this one again has two matte shades right here, one shimmery shade right here. I think three matte shade, yeah, three matte shade and one shimmery shade right here. This again is a really beautiful blue shimmery shade, you guys, and again very pigmented. Can you see that? It's very affordable. It's, I think, retails for 350 rupees, and right now elf is on great discount. I think you can definitely get these products. These are so tiny, so travel friendly, so good quality. The next product that I have is a liner, and the liner that I'm going to recommend to you guys is the Maybelline New York, the Colossal Bold Liner. I'm not a liner person these days. I don't apply liner that often, so that is why I don't have a lot of liner recommendation. This is the liner that I've been using from past 1 year, and I just totally love this. This is super affordable. I think even if it's not on sale, you can still get this because this is so affordable and so good quality. So the next product I have is the kajal. This is the kajal that I have, and I totally love this. Again, I've been using this kajal for past 1 year, and this is super black. Again, I'm just gonna give you a swatch of this as well. So that is how the product looks like. This is extremely black. This is smudge proof. It doesn't budge at all. You can create smoky eyes with this. Just you want to work with this very quickly because it sets very quickly. So if you are a casual person and you just love applying kajal on your waterline, and you just hate when it just gets spread it all around your eyes and give you panda eyes, that's not gonna happen with this one because this is not gonna budge. I just totally love this kajal so much. Now is the time for mascara, and surprisingly both the mascaras I have is from the brand Maybelline. The first one that I have, which is I feel I just totally love these days, and this one is the Maybelline New York, the Falsies Lash Lift waterproof mascara. This is the how the product looks like. Let me give you a closer look how the product looks like. So that is how the product looks like closely, and let me just show you the wand of this. So it has got a really nice fluffy wand, and this is a waterproof mascara. It's gonna give you a very lifted and volumized eyelashes. If you don't like to apply falsies, I think this is a mascara which you definitely should be having because this is gonna give you a lot of volume and length. Other one is, I think, all of you know already, but let me still give you tell you that this one is the Maybelline New York, the Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Again, gonna give you a lot of length and volume, but not compared to this one. So it's like a everyday mascara. It's gonna give very black, lengthy looking lashes. It looks so beautiful and so good quality. So definitely recommend this one. So now for lips, I'm gonna recommend to you guys one lip liner which I totally love, which is this one. This is the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. I just totally love this lip liner so much. This is so good quality, and I just love this so much. I just use this lip liner only. Let me just give you a swatch of this. So that is how the lip liner looks like. I hope you guys can see the swatch of this. I don't know how to show this to you guys, but that is how this looks like. This is the proper dark brown lip liner. That is what I am wearing today, and I actually wear this almost every day. Like whenever I'm doing makeup. This is the lip liner that I have on my lips. This is very, very good quality, not at all matte. It applies beautifully on your lips. It doesn't really, make your lips look very dry or chapped. So it's very, very good quality and super affordable. It's gonna last you for years and years, trust me. The lipstick recommendation, I think it's very tough to tell you guys lipstick because I have a lot of lipsticks, and giving you just one or two lipstick, it's actually very tough. But still, I have the lipsticks which I absolutely love these days. So I have three lipstick recommendation, and all three are nude because I just love nude lipsticks so much. The first one is the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This one is in the shade Nude Twist. This is how the product looks like. This is a really, really beautiful brownie nude shade, you guys. It's just a beautiful, beautiful nude shade. I just love this one so much. This is gonna give you a really nice matte lips, but not at all drying. This is very, 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 very comfortable on the lips. Gonna transfer just a little bit, but you can definitely reapply this lipstick. It's gonna not make your lips dry or patchy or anything of that sort. So I highly recommend this if you have like my kind of a skin tone. It's gonna look so beautiful. The other one that I have is the Nykaa liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade 05 Madras Kapi. Again, a beautiful, beautiful shade. This is the shade that I'm wearing right now on my lips, and you can see it's looking so beautiful. I just love the shade so much. With this shade, I would say if you have dry lips, just apply a little bit of lip balm underneath and then apply this shade, and it's gonna look so, so beautiful. I don't think I need to give you a swatch of this because this is right now on my lips, and you can see how it looks. Next shade that I have is this one. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Powder Puff Lippy. This one is in the shade Cool Intentions. This is how the product looks like, and this is the applicator of this. The product applies so beautifully this with this one. This is not a proper matte lipstick. This definitely gives a really nice powdery matte finish. Let me just give you a swatch of this as well. So this is how the product looks like. This is the swatch of this lipstick. This is a beautiful, beautiful nude shade. I just love this so much. This is so comfortable. So if you can get this in the sale, I think you should definitely be getting this. If you have like my skin tone, it's gonna look very, very nice. If you have like a dusky skin tone, like darker than me, you would need a darker lip liner to really get a proper application. Otherwise it can really wash you off. But if you have lighter skin tone than me, it's gonna look really, really beautiful, and it's such a beautiful and comfortable formula. So all the makeup products are done, and the last product I'm gonna recommend to set your makeup is this one. This is from the brand Faces Canada, the Faces Canada Ultim Pro makeup fixer. This is the 100 ml packaging. This is for dewy skin. So if you have dry skin and you want your makeup to look super dewy, super hydrating, it's just gonna make your makeup look that way. It's just so, so good. You have got a pump applicator just like this. You're just gonna spray some of the product on your face like this, and it's gonna make your makeup look super, super dewy and glowy. It just melts the makeup completely into your skin and make it even long lasting. It's very, very good. It doesn't have any shimmer particles or nothing of that sort, but still it gives a very, very nice dewy glowy finish. I completely forgot to mention these two products in the skincare category, so I'm gonna do it now quickly. So this is the Dot & Key skincare hydro peel glow potion. This has 10% of AHA and 2% of BHA solution. So in short, this is a skin peeling solution. I really, really like this one. So if you are starting off with skin peeling or chemical peeling, I think this one is the one that you should be going for. This is perfect for beginners. I started my chemical peel journey with the Dot & Key one. This is super mild. So if you're a beginner, this is the one for you. I really, really like this one. You just want to apply this all over your face and then just leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. You don't need to use a face wash after this. Just wash it off and then apply a good sunscreen. If you're doing it in the daytime, I would recommend you to do this chemical peel in the nighttime, because your skin becomes photosensitive, and it needs at least 7 to 8 hours to get really repaired, because you are doing a skin peeling. So I would recommend you to guys do this during the night time, and if you're doing it in the daytime, make sure to follow it up with a good sunscreen. So this is a recommendation for beginners, but if you've been using chemical peels and you want to upgrade a little to a better concentration, then you can go for this one. This is the Minimalist AHA 25%, PHA 5%, BHA 2% chemical peel. This one definitely is a bit higher concentrate. So if you're starting off with chemical peels, this is definitely not the one. It can definitely irritate your skin. So start off with something mild and then go for this one. This again is very good. So I like to use this once a week, and sometimes once in 10 days, when I feel like my skin is super dull and I'm getting like blackheads, and when I just feel like I just need my skin just need to get that glow back. So I just totally recommend both these products. Just choose accordingly. If you're a beginner, go for this one, and if you've been using products like this and then you want to upgrade your game, then you can go for this one. Alright, you guys, so these are all the recommendations that I really wanted to give you guys. All these products I totally love. These are like well used, and I just gave these products enough time, and then I'm recommending these products to you guys. These are amazing, beautiful products, and a lot of these are on sale. Good affordable prices right now, so you should definitely go ahead and get these products. If you need any of these products, just go ahead and buy these products. So yeah, that what I have today for you guys. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and I love you guys all so much. Bye.